know. If it makes you feel good and it makes it alright, then it's bound to connect deep in everybody's eyes. All it takes is a song with a hook and a line, and it's bound to blow up like the 4th of July. Oh, when we were young.
So did you do the homework last night?
What homework?
Oh my god, don't look now, but no, don't look. But I think the buzz is coming, like the questions.
Gosh. Don't make eye contact.
She's headed like right our way.
Miss, over here. Can I ask you a question real quick? Did you have a brat summer? Did you have a brat summer? Can I just get one question from you, please? One question? Ivan, are you getting this? Come on, just one?
Hey Hornets, I'm your host Yvonne Lopez, and this is your week's Buzzworthy announcements. Ninth graders, if you're interested in joining the student council, please come by room 282 on August 20th for our first interest meeting. Entrance forms for being either a representative or officer are outside of room 552. Please join us for a DECA informational meeting on Wednesday, August 21st, either at 5:50 a.m. or 3:30 p.m., room 282. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Hardigan. Reading Bowl is an academic bowl style competition. It will be held in January against other schools in the Metro Atlanta area. Come be a part of the newly formed Roswell High School Reading Bowl team. If you're an avid reader and have a thirst for competition, please see Ms. Kowalski in the Media Center for more information. Tag seminars will begin in Study Hall the week of August 19th. That's it for this week's Buzzworthy announcements. Now into sports.
Hey Hornets, I'm your host Tania Johnson, and here's this week's At the Buzzer. Our varsity volleyball team has already won many games this season. They beat Marietta and Centennial 2-1. They also beat Shiloh 2-0. Great job. They have 3 home games tonight at 1 p.m., 2:15, and 5:30. Come support your varsity volleyball team. Our varsity girls softball team has also won many games this season already. They beat Marietta 14-0. Offense was led by Kate Harris with 3 runs and 2 RBIs. Livy Henry also threw a perfect game for 4 innings. They also beat Centennial 8-0. Offense was led by Marissa Metzger. She scored 3 hits and 2 runs. They also beat Duluth 8-1. They have another game on Tuesday the 20th at Chattahoochee at 6 p.m. Come support your varsity softball team. Our varsity football team had a good preseason scrimmage. They beat Lambert 35-21. Great job, Hornets. Our first game of the year is this Friday, tonight, not at the Nest, but at Peachtree Ridge at 7:30 p.m. Come support your varsity football team and make sure to show out in your tropical clothing. That's all the sports we have for this week. Now, on to student questions.
Any advice for freshmen?
Focus on your grades.
Get humbled and you're not all that. Be humbled, please.
Don't go into 800 Hall.
Take school serious. Go to class. Do your homework. Listen to your teachers, and you'll be successful.
What Mr. Chapman said.
Speak out, get some friends, get a close friend group, and go talk to people.
Stay out of the bathrooms. It's bad.
From your entire school career, who has been your favorite teacher?
Miss Carrillo, the Goat-Rillo. Yeah, like Unc right there, she's the best.
Miss Omen.
Oh my God, Mr. Moore. I love you, Mr. Moore. Shout out to him. My favorite.
Miss Turner. She used to be the intro to cosmetology teacher. Miss Capusta, I love her.
Miss Amasico.
Mr. Chicalana, he's a goat. Mr. Ahmed, probably. He was pretty cool last year.
Norman Sensei, the Japanese teacher. And what Olympic sport, if you could, would you compete in?
Swimming. I can't think of the name. What's the water polo? Gymnastics.
What Olympic sport, if you could, would you compete in?
Ping pong. You seen them? It gets intense.
Wait, it's cheering? No. Gymnastics. Because I like gymnastics.
None of them. I'm too short. Speed walking. What's the one where you like? No. Where's the one where you do the thing and like the little ball goes? Curling.
What Olympic sport, if you could, would you compete in?
Oh, basketball all the way.
I would definitely compete in basketball.
Yeah, basketball.
Like an eating thing? Like an eating type of sport?
An eating sport? You would be Olympic eater. Olympic eater right here.